Welcome back to Car Hub, the place where luxury meets performance and the future of automobiles comes to life. If you love premium cars, ultra-luxury SUVs, and the latest automotive innovations, make sure you stay tuned because today we are diving into something truly special. Mercedes has officially unveiled the new next-generation 2026 Mercedes Maybach S680 SUV. And this vehicle is not just an upgrade, it is a statement of ultimate luxury, power, and prestige. The moment you look at the 2026 Mercedes Maybach S680 SUV, it is clear that this is not an ordinary SUV. Mercedes has taken everything we know about Maybach elegance and elevated it to a completely new level. The front design is bold yet refined, featuring an imposing chrome-detailed grille that instantly announces its presence. The iconic Maybach emblem sits proudly, reminding everyone that this SUV belongs to the highest tier of automotive luxury. The redesigned LED headlights are sharper and more intelligent, offering a futuristic look while providing exceptional visibility. Every line on the body feels carefully sculpted to balance power with sophistication. From the side profile, the Maybach S680 SUV looks long, wide, and commanding. The extended wheelbase enhances rear passenger comfort while also giving the vehicle a more royal stance on the road. Massive multi-spoke alloy wheels with chrome accents add to the luxurious appeal, and subtle Maybach badging keeps the design elegant rather than flashy. Around the back, the sleek LED taillights, refined chrome trims, and smooth curves complete a design that feels timeless yet modern. Step inside the cabin, and the 2026 Mercedes Maybach S680 SUV truly separates itself from everything else on the road. This interior is more like a private jet lounge than an SUV. Premium Napa leather, handcrafted wood trims, polished metal accents, and ambient lighting combine to create an atmosphere of absolute comfort. Mercedes has focused heavily on rear seat luxury, making this SUV perfect for those who prefer to be chauffeured. The rear seats are fully reclining with massage, heating, ventilation, and memory functions, offering unmatched comfort on long journeys. The ambient lighting system has been upgraded with even more customization options, allowing passengers to choose colors and moods that suit their style. The panoramic sunroof floods the cabin with natural light, enhancing the sense of space and openness. Noise insulation has also been improved, making the cabin whisper quiet even at high speeds. Every door closes with a soft, elegant sound, reinforcing the premium experience. Technology plays a huge role in the 2026 Maybach S680 SUV. The latest version of Mercedes MBUX infotainment system dominates the dashboard with large, high-resolution screens. The system is faster, smarter, and more intuitive than ever before. Voice control understands natural language commands, allowing passengers to adjust climate settings, navigation, entertainment, and more without lifting a finger. Rear passengers also get their own individual displays, giving them complete control over comfort and entertainment. The sound system in this SUV is nothing short of spectacular. A high-end Burmeister 4D surround sound system delivers crystal-clear audio, turning the cabin into a concert hall on wheels. Wireless charging, multiple USB-C ports, and advanced connectivity features ensure that every passenger stays connected and comfortable throughout the journey. Under the hood, the 2026 Mercedes Maybach S680 SUV is powered by a mighty V12 engine, staying true to the Maybach legacy. This engine delivers smooth, effortless power, making acceleration feel silky and refined rather than aggressive. Despite its size and weight, the SUV moves with grace, thanks to advanced suspension and intelligent all-wheel drive. The ride quality is incredibly smooth, absorbing bumps and imperfections on the road with ease. Mercedes has equipped this SUV with the latest generation of adaptive air suspension, which constantly adjusts to road conditions and driving style. Whether cruising on highways or navigating city streets, the Maybach S680 SUV provides a floating, luxurious ride. Multiple driving modes allow the driver to switch between comfort-focused cruising and a more dynamic driving experience when needed. Safety and driver assistance features are also at the forefront of this luxury SUV. The 2026 Maybach S680 SUV includes advanced systems such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, automatic emergency braking, and 360-degree cameras. These features work seamlessly to enhance safety without intruding on the driving experience. Mercedes has also improved its semi-autonomous driving capabilities, making long-distance travel more relaxed and stress-free. What truly makes the 2026 Mercedes Maybach S680 SUV special is the attention to detail. From personalized options and custom interior themes to exclusive paint finishes, buyers can tailor this SUV to match their unique taste. This level of customization ensures that no two Maybach SUVs are exactly the same. Adding to the exclusivity and prestige, the unveiling of the 2026 Mercedes Maybach S680 SUV marks a new chapter in ultra-luxury SUV. It combines the commanding presence of an SUV with the elegance and refinement of a flagship sedan. This is a vehicle designed for those who demand the very best, without compromise. So what do you think about the new next-generation Mercedes Maybach S680 SUV? Is this the ultimate luxury SUV of 2026, or do you think another brand can challenge Maybach's dominance? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this deep dive into luxury, make sure to like the video, subscribe to Car Hub, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update on the latest and greatest cars in the world. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.